How to adjust your ad preference. So if you want to adjust the ads that you see on your Facebook feed, this is how you do so. You open up the Facebook app. You want to go to the bottom right hand corner and select your profile. You then want to scroll down and select settings and privacy. You then want to go to settings. You then want to select account center. You want to scroll down and select ad preferences. And here you want to go to add topics. In add topics, you'll be able to choose the ads that reach you and the ads that you want to see less of. So if you want to see a particular type of ad, you want to go to view and manage topics. You can then pick any of the ads that you like to see. So if you're into tennis, long jump, golf, or any other type of sport, you can select that. And once you're happy with that, you can then leave it. Or if you want to change or see less of the ad, you can then go to review topic choices. So you can select that. As you can see from this example, I haven't chosen one, but if I was to choose canoeing, I could then go and select canoeing and choose no preference or select see less. If I want to see less of canoeing, I can then back out. It'll then update. And as you can see at the bottom, I can go and select see less and canoeing will be there. I can select it again. And if I want to see more of it, I can just go to no preference, back out, and then it's updated. And that's how you adjust your ad preference views on Facebook.